it's me, Teresa from healthyveganlife.com. Today I want to share with you my favourite salad dressing that I use all the time that's really easy to make. It's my balsamic vinaigrette. I don't want to make this video too long, so let's get started right away. Boom! All the salad dressing ingredients are hanging out together. Awesome. So basically we just want to put all of our ingredients into one bowl or bottle, salad dressing bottle that I like to use. So 1/16 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, salt and pepper to taste, and then 3/4 of a cup of soy yogurt that is plain and unsweetened. Then we just want to screw on the lid of the bottle and start shaking it. And if you are putting it all in a bowl, you could just, whisk it until it's a nice smooth consistency. Just make sure in between the shaking or the mixing that you taste it to make sure that you like the taste. Maybe add some more salt or more sweetener, whatever you prefer. We all have different taste buds. And here you have your final salad dressing. It's so easy to make. You can do this in 5 minutes. And this keeps for about, I'd say like a week in the fridge. Or maybe a little longer because all the ingredients that you put in here all last for quite some time. Maybe you could even make this last 2 weeks, but be careful. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. I sure do. For more healthy, vegan, oil-free salad dressings, you can check out my recipe ebook. I have some salad dressings in there, and also my free 3-day meal plan that you can download for free on my website. Why would you not do that? So I'll put the links in the description for that. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye. I filmed this 1,000 times already, but I keep being a weirdo, so I'm just going to try again. Yes, there we go. Shake it like a Polaroid picture.